Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about electrical engineering. We're going to understand the terms electricity, current, voltage, and resistance. We're going to see what is the Ohm's law and the application of this law in solving real-world problems. A short introduction about basic electrical theory. Electricity is everywhere. It lights our way, it cooks our food, and can even brush your teeth. It saves life. Many lives have been saved due to the electrical devices like defibrillators, pacemakers, etc. It powers our houses, our PCs, laptops, mobile phones. Industry is highly dependent upon reliable power sources. Almost every home on the planet is powered by electricity. Without electricity, we would be watching TV in the dark. So, what is electricity and where does it come from? More importantly, why is carpet, socks, and a doorknob a bad combination? In its simplest terms, electricity is the movement of charge which is considered by convention to be from positive to negative. No matter how the charge is created, chemically like in batteries or physically, from friction from socks and carpet, the movement of the discharge is electricity.